everyone. I am Dr. Neeta, Associate Professor in Technia Institute of Advanced Studies in the Department of Information, Communication and Technology. In today's lecture, we are going to start with Unit number 1, Introduction to Java. That is an object-oriented programming language. Today, in this video, we will cover the first 3 topics of this unit. Java as an object-oriented programming language, history of Java, features of Java. Let's first start with Introduction to Java. As we know, Java as an object-oriented programming language, James Gosling developed Java as a high-level object-oriented and platform-independent programming language at Sun Microsystem in 1995. It is widely used for developing desktop, web, mobile and enterprise applications due to its Write One, Run Anywhere means VORA capability, which allow Java programs to run on any system with a Java virtual machine. Java follows object-oriented programming means OOPS principles, ensuring modularity, security and reusability. Now the next question arises. Java is an object-oriented programming OOPS based language, meaning it is based on the concepts of objects and classes. OOPS makes Java modular, scalable and reusable. The 4 main OOPS principles in Java are encapsulation means data hiding and access control. Number 2 is like inheritance means code reusable through parent-child relationship. Polymorphism, the ability of a method to perform different function. Abstraction means hiding implementation details and showing only functionality. So let's look at each principle briefly with their examples. So encapsulation, in Java, encapsulation ensures that security and control over modification. So encapsulation is one of the fundamental principles of object-oriented programming. It is the process of hiding data within a class and restricting direct access to it. Inside data is accessed and modified through getter and setter methods. Encapsulation ensures that data security, reusability and better control over code. So encapsulation offers several advantages such as data hiding means prevent unauthorized access, improved maintainability simply means changes in one part of the code do not affect other parts. Modularity means code is organized into well-defined structure. Increased security, very simple meaning like access to data is controlled via methods. Inheritance in Java allows a class, child class, to acquire properties and behavior from other classes like parent classes. So this helps in code reusable and organization. So inheritance is one of the key feature of object-oriented programming. So it allows a child class to acquire the properties and behavior of a parent class, promoting code reusability and hierarchical in programming. So now the major question is, why use inheritance? So inheritance provides several advantages such as code reusability. So common attributes and methods are written once in a parent class and reused in child classes. Extensibility means very new features can be added to existing code without modifying an original structure. Method overloading. It allows modifying behavior of inherited methods in a child class. The next major feature is improved maintainability. So reduces code duplication and enhances organization. Polymorphism in Java. So polymorphism allows the same method name to have different behaviors based on the object calling it. This is done through method overloading and overriding. Various examples of method overloading like polymorphism in one of the fundamental concepts of object-oriented programming. So its mean many form where the same entity, method or object behaves differently based on the context. It enhances flexibility and reusability in Java. Polymorphism allows method overloading and method overriding. It helps in achieving dynamic behavior at runtime. Now, history of Java. Now let's discuss the history of Java. So Java was developed by James Gosling and his team at Sun Microsystems in 1995. Initially it was called Awk but was later renamed Java. The very first version, Java is 1.0, was released in 1996. Over the year, Java has evolved with various versions, adding new features to enhance performance and security. Today, Java is maintained by Oracle and continues to our dominated language in software development. So the beginning Green project in 1991, Java's journey began in 1991 with a secret project called a Green project. At same means Sun Microsystems. The goal was to develop a programming language for consumer electronic devices like television, set-top boxes and handheld devices. James Gosling, Mike Sheridan and Patrick Norton were the key developer. Initially, they created a language called Awk. Named after an oak tree outside Gosling office, later Awk was renamed Java due to the trademark issues. Features of Java. Java is widely used because of its powerful feature. Some key features include platform independence. So Java program can run on any operating system with JVM, means it's a Java virtual machine. Next point is like simple and secure. Java has a simple syntax and stores security features. Robust and portable. So Java's memory management prevents errors and it's run on different devices. Other important Java features include multi-threading, means Java support concurrent execution of multiple tasks. High performance, Java JIT, means Java in time. So mini compiler boost execution speed. Very rich APIs and libraries are residing in Java. So Java provides extensive libraries for networking, database management and more. Now we conclusion in the summary. To summarize, Java is an object-oriented programming language that follows principles like encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism and abstraction. It was developed in 1995 by James Gosling and has evolved into one of the most powerful programming language and worldwide. With the features like platform independent, security, robustness and multi-threading, Java continue to be a performed choice for developer. I hope you now have a better understanding of Java's fundamental. That's all for today's lecture. Hope you have to got deep understanding of Java as an object-oriented programming language. History of Java. So do like, share and comment on Technia TV for more such topics. Thank you.